Drivers and other people are allowed to administer first aid if trained or if they have enough skills. In case of a car accident, drivers should administer first aid. If failed to do so, driver will be subjected to administrative proceedings with an applicable penalty of a fine. In this regard, and according to paragraph 7.7 of the Road Traffic Regulations, the maintenance of vehicles is prohibited if a first aid kit is absent. In case of the absence of the first aid kit, the driver will get a notice or a fine of up to 500 Russian rubles according to Article 12.5 Part 1 of the Russian Code of Administrative Offenses. The first aid kit should include hemostatic dressing, non-sterile bandages measuring 5 to 5, 5 to 10, 7 to 14 centimeters, sterile bandages measuring 5 to 7, 5 to 10, 7 to 14 centimeters, individual field dressing with waterproof seal, sterile napkins measuring not less than 16 to 14 centimeters in quantity of 10, adhesive bandages measuring not less than 4 to 10 centimeters and not less than 1.9 to 7.2 centimeters, adhesive tape measuring not less than 1 to 250 centimeters, mask or device for CPR, scissors, antiseptical wipes measuring not less than 12.5 to 11 centimeters, medical non-sterile gloves at least of a medium size, medical non-sterile 3-ply mask with elastic bands or straps, a thermal blanket measuring at least 160 to 210 centimeters, steel safety pins measuring at least 38 millimeters, and sanitary case or a bag.